who lives in a pineapple under the sea. Today we are making a pineapple under the sea because SpongeBob is the epitome of summer and we need a summer cocktail, and I think this is the drink of the summer, or it's gonna be at least. So obviously, this drink is based on SpongeBob. It's for SpongeBob's house. It's the literal pineapple under the sea. So I'm kind of going all out here. I bought this just for the occasion. I bought a pineapple core. I've never used one. I'm about learning on the job around here, and we're gonna learn how to use one of these today so that we can make a pineapple under the sea and serve it inside of a pineapple. So let's get started. I guess I just need to cut this up and stop yapping. Okay, so right off the bat, you're gonna wanna save this. We're gonna need this later. But let's check this bad boy out. We got instructions. This was $5 at TJ Maxx. If it doesn't work perfectly, I'm gonna be upset. Mr. TJ Maxx is gonna be hearing from me very soon. Line up teeth with the core. Get that in there. What is this for? I don't need it right now. Line up the teeth with the core. Okay, we got that. Pull the fruit out of the shell using the handle. Okay, so now I got it lined up with the core, and now I just twist through here. This seems cool. It's pretty sharp. I feel like I could cut right through this and we're not gonna have a glass anymore. Now it says, pull the fruit out of the shell using the handle. Look at this. Dude, that's sick. It's not done yet though, so let's keep it going. Oh, check this shit out. That is cool as shit. I'll show you guys, look at that. That's crazy. That's sick. I thought this was gonna be really hard to use, honestly. Or it just wasn't gonna work at all. Doesn't say how to take the core out, but okay, this is a pivotal moment. I'm gonna leave the core in here right now. But like, if I should be taking the core out, someone drop a comment. Let me know what I should be doing, because I have no idea. Core or no core? I need your guys' help. Oh man, I am living in the future. This is crazy. I don't feel like I wasted that much of the pineapple. I'm gonna go get my blender. I can't believe I'm a scientist now. All right, so now we need to start making the pineapple under the sea, and our first ingredient is pretty obvious if you haven't already figured out. Let's do about a cup of our freshly cut pineapple. So if you know SpongeBob, you know this guy knows how to party despite us not really knowing his age. I don't think it's ever been, no, he's a kid, but has a boating license. Couldn't be manager because he's a kid. Sometimes I'm pretty sure he's man. Anyway, the dude parties. Looks like he did some, he was dancing real strange when he had that rave at his house. That's all I'm gonna say. SpongeBob knows how to party. So let's toss in 3 ounces of white rum. Next up, 3 ounces of orange curacao. You can use triple sec if you'd like, but I want this to have a little bit more of that, like, SpongeBob's pineapple is orange. It's not really a real pineapple. It's very, very orange. So honestly, if you were serving this, I'd almost recommend throwing in an orange food dye if you really wanted to have fun with it. Next up, we are going to throw frozen passion fruit chunks in here. That's gonna keep it nice and cool. And finally, I'd like to add 2 ounces of a nice pineapple juice. I just think it's gonna help balance a little bit more. And I always use light pineapple juice. You don't want all that sugar, especially in your rum drinks. Grab your glass. I'm still amazed by this. This is so cool. I have a confession, guys. The pineapple core that I bought specifically for this video, I didn't buy specifically for this video. I bought it back in 2020 and I've been afraid to use it ever since because I thought it would suck. And you can't be disappointed by something that you never ever do. I had to get that off my chest. It's been eating me up the whole video. Let's pour out our pineapple under the sea. We're gonna toss in the straw. Just so my straw fits in nicely, I cut off a little corner of the pineapple. And guys, come on. This is what you wanna be drinking this summer. You wanna be drinking out of a pineapple. That's what it is. You wanna be drinking out of a pineapple. That's how you know it's gonna be a good day. So let's try it, the pineapple under the sea. Oh, it's so refreshing, so delicious, so fun. I love everything about it. It's almost like a pog juice because it's, instead of pineapple, orange, and guava, I have pineapple, orange, passion fruit. So I guess we can call it pop, you know? Absolutely delicious. That's incredible. I was having a debate with my cameraman, Ivan. I 110% think the best episode of SpongeBob, I think is episode like 2 or 4. It's in the first season. And the best episode, hands down, is when they're blowing bubbles and they're just laughing, having a good time, pissing off Squidward with innocent stuff. Now they like blow up his house and like, that's funny now. They're abusing Squidward. It's not funny anymore. Before they're just stupid and annoying. Now they're bullying that dude into quitting his job. But so anyways, they're blowing bubbles and SpongeBob blows an elephant bubble and they're laughing so hard. They think it's the funniest thing ever. And Patrick's like, oh, it's a giraffe. And that right there is the best episode of SpongeBob. Ivan doesn't think so. So tell me, what is the best episode of SpongeBob in your opinion? If you need a non-alcoholic recipe, I got you in the description below. And when you do finally figure out that favorite episode, kick back a couple pineapples under the sea and enjoy the best summer cocktail.